our post-game press conference. Congratulations to the UP Fighting Maroons for beating the FEU Tamaraws 89-75. The Fighting Maroons are now at 6-3. We have Coach Godwin Monteverde, Francis Nuruka, and Jacob Baila. Ay, Noy Remonga, sorry. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Big follow from your win against NU the last time. Also, what can you say about your team's performance this afternoon against a Tamaraws team who entered the game with a back-to-back win?
Well, we came to this game prepared talagang, we really prepared for FEU. And one thing siguro for this game was we moved the ball better as a team. And slowly, kumbaga na-identify ng bawat isa yung mga role sa team namin. And I'm really happy to see that we're improving as a team, we're growing as a team.
Thank you. To Francis, you have 19 points, 10 rebounds, 1 block, 1 assist, and 1 steal, and plus 13. So, do you think the team right now is in better shape compared to the first round, or is there still something to improve as the second round goes on?
Technically, we still practice every day to improve in our skills and everything. But I'll say, we are definitely getting better than from the first round at the start of the season. We are slowly putting our team together and going from good to great. So we still have a lot of stuff to work with, but so far so good.
Thank you. Tunoy, you have 12 points, 8 assists, 2 rebounds, and 2 steals. So yun nga, facilitator ka today with a game high 8 points. So ano man sabi mo sa pagbibigay mo sa bola sa Fighting Maroons?
Siguro yun lang din yung nangyayari sa sistema namin. Kumbaga, ayun yung binigay na system na laro.
Go ahead.
Yun po yung lumabas sa system namin kasi hindi naman yun dahil sa sarili ko, kumbaga dahil sa team namin, dahil sa system namin.
Thank you to Jacob. You had 8 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, 3 steals, and plus 14. So another major contributor tonight. So what can you say about this win?
Just all glory to God. He really got this team through all the adversity and perseverance. And just credit to my teammates who work really hard.
Okay, thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach Good, gaano ka-valuable na lang yung contributions ni Jacob? Just high yun team high plus 14, plus also yung defensive contributions niya mas tumataas na as the season progresses. So gaano ka-valuable yung si Jacob na
Very valuable for us. We always give importance sa ganun, yung mga being able to fulfill yung role niya sa team and being able to play at both ends. Siyempre, yung mga ganung bagay. Bira sa player ng ganun na working hard sa defense at the same time sa offense, making good decisions within the team.
Jacob, speaking of what Coach Gold said, how eager are you to sustain this fine form heading into not only the rest of the second but also heading to potentially the Final Four and UP's title defense?
Yeah, if we just keep on playing how we play, and for me, I just want to win. So whatever that takes, I can give to the team to help win. That's what I'll do.
Rig, para sa'yo, game high na 8 assists pero 4 turnovers na mag-usama nun. So, heading to the next few games, paano mo lang make sure na may lesson turnovers para mas maganda yung ikot ng bola?
Siguro kanina ng first half, nagiging indecisive lang ako kasi yun nga, medyo hindi rin maganda sa akin yung bola ba na parang medyo hindi naman pero madulas so siguro mas iingatan ko yung bola, mas ingatan ko mas i-execute ko yung play namin mas gagawin ko yung role ko as a point guard.
Ray, staying with you, shaky start to the season pero parang throughout this winning streak nakikita natin yung contributions mo, yung confidence mo, nakikita na natin. Can you say na nababalik mo na yung confidence mo back nung nasa UWICA and you're slowly feeling the role that Coach Goldwin wants you to do here in UWICA?
Yung dati kasi iba yun eh. So ako, gumagawa lang ng sarili kong story ngayon dito sa UPN. Siguro kasama sa story ko yun na pangit yung una, pero yun nga, sa buhay naman kailangan hindi ka sumuko. Siguro andun lang ako sa part na nahirapan pero hindi ako sumuko, kaya nakabangon ako sa sitwasyon ko na.
Coach, talk about Francis. How happy are you with how he's been performing so far? And it seems like sa dikit-dikit na standings natin ngayon, importante na everyone's contributing, lalo na yung FSA mo.
Very happy kasi nakita ko si Francis like nung before na season pa. He was really, in a way, trying to know the system. Then I saw him really work hard in facing mga challenges na yun. And I think it goes for everybody naman, kahit sila Noy, no? As we always say, diba, imperfect game to. So, you know, it will always be part ng mga mali namin sa team. Importante sa amin would be how we respond through that, at the same time work on every mistake na nangyayari, and continue growing as a team.
For Francis, you see the standings, every team is very tightly closed. For you, what do you think you should do to at least help UP get to another level in this second round?
I mean, keep playing hard, like every game, show up and play my role and do what I gotta do to make the team win. And as much as I gotta do my job, you know, it's a collective effort. So I mean, we all still gotta participate and do what we gotta do, you know, throughout the rest of the season. Yeah.
Coach, near perfect po kayo sa free throws ngayong Terence, Jerry, si Jacob, even Francis only missed one. So it's a far cry from yung past games na usually nasa high 60s or 70% na. Happy na rin po kayo na parang unti-unti na po nakokorek yung mga big shortcomings po ng team.
Yeah. Nakikita ko rin kasi yung everyday na ginagawa ng team, giving yung time to practice yung shots nila, even sa free throws. So for me, being able to see them develop as a player, at the same time as a team, syempre so, na-appreciate natin laging ganun. So for us siguro, we're just gonna continue what we're doing na, you know, trying to work hard every day, learn every day.
Jacob, for you, compared to your first year here with UP, where is your confidence level at, and how important will that be that you continue to be confident in your game as the season progresses?
I guess every game is my confidence is getting better, but it starts in practice. You know, just giving my all for the team and for the UP community. So yeah, my confidence is getting higher.
Coach, your next game is on November 5 pa against UST. Di kayo nanalo sa first tapos kayo isang hindi kayo nanalo sa preseason. So although medyo yung UST medyo shaky as of late, what can you say about UST?
Well, lahat naman ng team, even UST, nakita natin na yung program maganda. I mean, they would be they're very competitive also as a team. But then as for us naman, we will always focus on ourselves first, no? What needs to be improved on. And definitely, every team naman, kung paano paghandaan, we treat the same. So, importante sa amin right now would be just focus first sa sarili. Okay, then unti-unti working towards UST sa November 5.
Congratulations, Coach Gold, Jacob, Noy, and Francis. Thank you.
Thank you so much.